I am in the process of working on my next sewing make, which is going to be a jumpsuit. So I actually shared in my last video that I want to make a jumpsuit that fits really close to the body on the sides and then has wide legs. So I took a bodysuit pattern, I believe it's Simplicity 8513, and then I taped that pattern down to a jumpsuit pattern that has the wide leg that I want to use. So I mashed up two patterns. This is the bodysuit portion, and then this is the pants portion of another pattern, and then I'm going to blend these edges here. So I took this curved ruler and I'm just going to make sure it comes in here. So I'm going to trim this off, and then I'll probably flip this piece over on my back piece. This is the front piece, and then I'll make sure they are nice and aligned so that they will come out even. I got up this morning and I laid out my fabric, and after I got everything all laid out, I started cutting it, and I actually got all the pieces cut out, and I'm making a turtleneck on this jumpsuit, and then I'm having long sleeves. So I had to run out and do a couple things for the day, but I also made a muslin because I wanted to make sure that the jumpsuit was going to fit the way I planned for it to fit, and I love the way the muslin turned out. So after the muslin came out okay, I was like, okay, I'm good to go ahead and cut out these pattern pieces. I had to pick up my husband, and then he had to take a call, so he pulled over and went to Starbucks, and he's in Starbucks taking a call, and he was like, come in, and I have my iPad and I didn't bring my earbuds. Is that what it's called? Yeah, earbuds or whatever. And so I was like, no, I'm good, because I can watch, YouTube videos and things. And so I'm like, go ahead and do your thing, and I'm gonna sit right here, and I am at peace. So that's what I'm doing, and I am just excited about this jumpsuit. I think it's gonna be so cute if it comes out the way that I'm thinking that it will. So I'll probably sew when I get home, and in the meanwhile, I'm just gonna hang out until that happens. Does anybody else do this? So I have a YouTube video going on this side, and then I have another app, which happens to be Pinterest, open over here on this side, so that I can surf while the video is playing. The best of both worlds. I have the front and the back together. I did add some length to the bottom of the hem, and then I'm going to work on the neckline next. And then there is an opening in the back for a zipper, and I'm going to just use a 22-inch invisible zipper. And I didn't add any pockets, and like I mentioned, I will be putting sleeves in here. I do love this fabric. I like the colors. I think it's pretty.
Summer is also just like, it's such a good time for doing this project. When I'm not under the pressure to finish specific projects, I can really get on the hamster wheel of sewing goals throughout the year. I can really take time to set up my space for success, and that's really the goal of what I'm doing right now. I've been going through my notions, my patterns, and creating just better storage systems, because I can't tell you the number of times, and I'm fairly organized, but sewing stuff is hard to keep organized. Your biggest takeaway? I think that my biggest takeaway, maybe it's
this garment ended up being really easy to make. I do feel like I got what I was going for with the sides to come in, and then the wide leg at the bottom. And the turtleneck is not a full-on turtleneck, it's actually a mock neck. Here is the back with the zipper in the back, and the fabric is from Cali Fabrics, and it came pretty quick too. I ordered it and I felt like it was here in no time, and I love it. I ended up buying 4 yards of this fabric, and I did not need nearly that much, so I have some of this fabric left over, which I'm happy about. So You may see this again in another garment, who knows? We're making a Target run. So when we had our carpet redone, we pulled everything out of the rooms, and under our stairs is where we store a lot of things. And I had these big bins, and I had 2 of them, and I was keeping the paper towels and the napkins in the bins. And it wasn't the most, what would you say, it wasn't the most practical way to keep everything. So my husband came up with this brilliant idea to get maybe some tubs, not tubs, but those cubes, you know, those cubes that fold, and then we can keep everything a little more organized that way. So that's what we're coming to Target to get.
They put them in small boxes and neat instead of those big ones that are torn up.
Okay, so
they're too big. Dozens are too big.
we're gonna get some boxes too for some of our photo albums. We have a lot of photo albums, so we're gonna put those in some boxes. We had them in boxes already, but I think they were too heavy. The boxes were too heavy, so we need to kind of like separate them and break them up a little bit. Okay. So where are we going first?
Well, the boxes are right here. I'm gonna look at the stores, the office supplies.
Okay. I want to get some. Oh, look at this little basket. Look at the little basket. Little Target basket. This is super duper cute. Super cute. Oh my goodness. I love little tiny things. Oh, there they are right there. All right. Those aren't the type we need. You kind of want something like this, right?
Yeah.
No, I think this would be ideal.
This is the first thing I was thinking about.
That might be cool. The boxes seem kind of small though.
This is the size of the one that I have in my closet.
Here's something new. Chocolate caramel popcorn. And then I'm going to get these cleansers that I like to use for my toilet. I ran out of them the other day, but I love them. I think they are so good. Let me see if I can find them. These are so good. So you can get the kit. You take the scrubbing pads and you put it on the end of the wand. So I am out of the pads, the refills. I love these to clean the toilet with. This is my husband's first time here, so I was telling him about this place. It's called WinCo. They have all type of raw nuts and all kind of stuff. You just measure out what you want. So my husband was interested in certain nuts. The walnuts are on the end. Oh, you have to push this down. You ready? Let me know when you're ready. Okay. I don't know how much you want.
That's good.
That's good. Okay. And then you're supposed to put a tab or put this around the tie around, and then write the number on the.
What?
I have a pen in my purse, unless you can remember. But you're not gonna remember if you're getting so many, yeah. Or you can put it in your phone. This is mango slices, apple rings. Are you interested in any of the dry fruit?
Yeah, Dehydrated. Do you have the pen?
Yeah, that one. It's in my bag. Oh, the pens are right here. Up. I didn't know that they were right here. That's perfect. 2158. They have figs, dates. They have a little bit of everything here. And then they have all kind of candy too. Coffees, spices, and here's the candy, chocolate chips, coconut. Look at all this cocoa powder. This is a great place to come to get bulk items. Look at all this flour and stuff. So cool. Let me see what's on this aisle over here because I can't remember. I actually haven't been in here in a long time. Pasta and rice is what the sign said. What is this? Oh, mac and cheese powder. Parmesan cheese. Look at all this pasta in bulk. I don't want to open it, it might spill. I didn't even know they had pasta in bulk. Wow. What's over here? Oh, beans. Okay. Tortilla. Little pieces. Wonton strips. Hibiscus flour. Oh, look at the shredded potatoes. I've never seen them dried like this. Unless that's how they freeze them. I don't know. Instant potatoes. Hummus mix. Falafel mix. I didn't know you could get hummus mix. Okay. Tons and tons of things here. Oh, you even have bottles so you can put your spices in there. Super cool. I stopped and picked up some salsa on the way home. Oh, it spilled in the bag. Oh my goodness. And chips. Ooh, look at all that juice all over my chips. So I am going to eat this and call it a night. I hate that it spilled. Oh well, it'll be okay. Okay, the box is upside down, but this is the one we decided to go with.